As a parent, what would you say that you liked about the summer camp?
What really stood out to me is the very welcoming, inclusive and encouraging atmosphere the camp has. What I realized speaking to Fergal about this is how much he enjoyed not just being told, oh, learn this without context, but that he learned through doing things, through challenges, activities and games.
What changes have you seen in Fergal?
What I also saw is that his confidence to be around other kids of different ages that he's never met, it has really brought him a bit more out of his shell, and it has formed friendships.
Can I just say?
Yeah.
Normally I'm really shy
Yeah.
with meeting new people and talking to them. I don't really go over to talk to them. I just normally sit and just wait until somebody comes over to talk to me. And I felt a lot more confident here because everybody's really nice.